so easy to put together. So the first thing we're gonna do is add the milk to a large bowl. Now I'm using almond milk. And then we're gonna add in the balsamic vinegar. So that's just gonna sit and hang out for a little bit. Next, we're gonna move on to the dry ingredients. Take your flour, your cocoa powder. Now the taste of the chocolate obviously is going to vary depending on what you're using. Dutch would be great for this, but I don't have that right now, so we're going with what I have. And we're adding in the rest of the dry ingredients, the salt, the baking powder, and the baking soda. And we're just going to sift this through. Now, any pieces that are left behind, just use your spatula or your fingers to push them through. Next, put the dry ingredients aside. Now, to the wet, we're gonna add the sugar. That goes right in there, as well as the oil. Now we're just going to mix this really well. Okay, so that is done. It is mixed up quite nicely. Take your dry ingredients. Done. Take your whisk. Now again, like with now I've already preheated the oven to 350 degrees. So that's waiting and ready to go. Now you're gonna notice it's gonna look like there's lumps and bumps, but that is actually just the vinegar and the baking soda, all of that reacting in there. So, all right, so this is good to go. Now, if you wanted, you could add some like dark chocolate chips into this. And of course, make sure there is nothing on the bottom. Nothing worse than pouring out your batter and then finding flour just sitting on the top there like that. Pan, ready to go. I've only lightly greased the bottom because I do want it to climb, so I didn't put any of the spray on the sides because I do want the cake to climb a little bit. Now you will notice once you take it out of the oven, it is going to decrease in size just a little bit. That's okay. This is such an incredibly moist cake. It is insane. Oh man. Now I'm using a bundt pan, but feel free to use a regular springform cake pan as well. So this is going to go into the oven, like I said, at 350 degrees, and it's going to go in for about 25 to 35 minutes. You want to just keep an eye on it, especially around the 25 mark, and make sure, test it at that point, and see if it's ready with a fork or a chopstick or a toothpick. Just see it if it comes out clean. That's it. Let's go. And there it is. Isn't it perfect? I love it. You guys have to give this a try. So I'm gonna cut it open and watch. It's ridiculously moist. It's so soft. Oh man. So I know you can't smell it, you can't taste it until you make yours, but trust me, it is so soft and delicious. You've got to give this a go. Trust me. See? So good. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos just like this one. Happy Valentine's Day, and I will see you next time right back here on Edible Fitness. Bye.